Going up and down, all around the bends. You could have a fun